What's up, guys? Will H back with another video doing a speaker comparison between the OnePlus 11 5G and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, both of these have some great speakers. I did a speaker comparison between the OnePlus 11 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you guys like to see that video, I'll definitely drop it down below. Now, both of these devices have two speakers, one up here and one at the bottom. I'm going to have them maxed out. I'm going to be playing some non-copyright music, and I'm not going to be using any kind of apps or anything. I'm just going to be playing them both through the Files app on each phone. Let's go ahead and max that one out on volume, and that one's maxed out as well. I'm going to take my lapel microphone off, and I'm going to try and split it in between, hanging on my camera here on my tripod. Now I'm going to make sure that I have this right, because the last one I did, someone said I didn't have it in the center. So I'm dropping it right on here now, and the mic is going to be pointing down. Let me make sure, yeah, it's pointed down, and it's right in the center right here. So let's go ahead and open up the Files app on both. Just going to be playing a couple of tracks from Chosen Beats. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. So let's go ahead and start on the Google Pixel 7 Pro first.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go. Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Dantana. Dantana.
All right, guys, so I'm shooting some 4K 60 frames per second footage from the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the OnePlus 11 5G out at a park here and letting you guys see how they sound, the mics, and how 60 frames per second footage from the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the OnePlus 11 5G out at a park here, and letting you guys see how they sound, the mics, and how stable this is now. All right, guys, so this has been my speaker comparison between the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the OnePlus 11 5G. So which one do you think had the better sounding speakers, better quality, bass, mids, highs, lows through this YouTube video? I know it's hard to tell, but in your opinion, which one do you think had the better sound quality? To me, it was pretty much a wash. I couldn't tell on this video between these two devices like I could between the iPhone and the OnePlus. So more videos come on these two devices. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.